Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Notify this applied practices. Is this fabric rejection SOP? You will first visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. The next step is to inform the fabric supplier, quality control team, and any other relevant practices of these problems. This might involve sending a notification mail and filling out a defect problem form. And determine the cause of these issues. It's important to investigate the root cause of these problems and relevant from this occurring against these features. This might involve working with this fabric supplier to identify the cause of these issues, or conducting in-house testing to determine in these courses. Make a decision about these fabrics. Once this problem has been identified, a decision must be made about what to do with these defective fabrics. If this fabric can be repaired, it might be possible to fix this issue and this fabric. If this fabric cannot be repaired, it will need to be rejected. Thank you so much watching these videos. I will telling about this rejection SOP, and next video please continue these videos, and you will knowledge these videos. So how can a rejection SOP working system in garments industries. Thank you so much watching these videos. Ta-ta, bye bye.